Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening shortcuts and confirming permissions so actions run reliably. Once done, tap the plus button and choose whether this is a manual shortcut or an automation triggered by time, location, or event. Add one action to begin, for example, open app, get current location, or run script. Make sure to name the shortcut so you can find it later. Test that single action immediately. It confirms permissions and behavior before you chain additional steps. Now build the middle of the workflow by chaining actions logically. Input, process, then output. Use variables and magic variables to capture results from prior actions. Rename them so the flow stays readable. When you need branching, insert if blocks for conditions, repeat for loops, and dictionaries for grouped data. Use ask for input when the shortcut needs user-supplied values. Periodically tap play to run the shortcut and observe values. That iterative testing prevents finish by configuring how you'll run the shortcut, add a Siri phrase, put it on the home screen, or add a widget for one-tap access. If it's an automation, set run without asking where safe and double-check location and privacy prompts. Export a copy or share it to keep a backup. Then run a full end-to-end test with real inputs. If something breaks, check variable names and action order first. The most common fix is correcting a misplaced action or a mismatched variable type.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.